In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Docs app keeps stopping error. So if you are constantly getting this issue where your Google Docs app stops each and every time you try to open it, or even when you're not using it, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to troubleshoot your Google Docs app. To do this, just go to settings on your phone, and from settings, go down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Docs, tap on it, and here go to for stop. Okay, this will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and once you're done, now go to Google Play Store and open your app. Everything now should be up and running without any issue. However, if this still does not fix, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app on your smartphone, turn it off, or any recently installed security app. It might be causing this conflict, and install it to fix this issue. But should you still face the same challenge, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your app. So just search for Docs. Once you have found it, tap on it and check and see if we have any update your app to the latest version. However, sometimes even after updating, you might still see the app stopping. For that, you need to uninstall the app and install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with your Google Docs app. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.